Let's create spin and path blur effect in Photoshop. Convert image to smart object. Make copy. Hide top layer. Go to filter. Select blur gallery. Then spin path blur. Follow the process. You can set blur angle accordingly. Then select path. Create path. Set the speed accordingly. Select Smart Filter. Select Brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is black. Start brushing on area which doesn't need blur effect. Unhide top layer. Again, go to Filter. Select Blur Gallery, then select Path Blur. Make path. Set speed accordingly. Add layer mask. Select Brush tool. Start brushing on car and tire surface. That's it. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel.